butter, bread and butter down.
Bless, love and greetings, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, lion and lioness, big up on yourself. Anyone there, what love and blessings, and also give thanks to life. Life is the greatest, cherish each moment. Yes, my viewers and subscribers. Anyone there, what love, guidance and protection. Saying, coming up in this episode, I don't know this reason, about this lady, an entrepreneur lady, a business lady. One of the richest, if not the richest, in Jamaica, Jamaican lady. Zane, her name is Trisha Bailey. Zine, but just before we get into it, we're gonna, the routine already. Please like, subscribe, and click the bell. The more you like the content, the more YouTube put it out there. See someone react to it, and then they may put it out in the feed, and so other people can see it and get inspired. Zine say, do the right thing and support is highly appreciated, man. Now take a note to click the bell and click the like. Less than a second. Zine, yes, my viewers and subscribers. So this lady, Trisha Bailey, Zine came from one part of St. Elizabeth. Zine resided to the States at the age of 11. Yeah, man, at the age of 11. You know what I mean? And she said she been through the rough times, been through it. From Jamaica to America, been through it, racism, everything. You know what I mean? But she never turned her back. You see me? I say she never give up. You get what I say? Yes, man, and right now she own a like private jet, as you can see on the screen. You know what I mean? But yeah, man, you can go over to Entertainment Report and watch the whole interview. Trust me, it's very inspiring, very touching and, you know what I mean? Yes, man, motivating and everything, man. You see me? Yes, man, the lady I make you feel like, say, yo, you have hopes. See? And she said she been through the rough time and she no matter, how much people put her down and them racist attack and everything, and she just know, say, the person will try to put her down, she tell herself, say, me, I come back, come own your business, I come buy you out right and put you out. You see me? Yeah, man, and trust me, on the need to go over Entertainment Report and go watch the visuals, because me take out a little part of it, Two things she said in the interview when Entertainment Report asked her. I'm not lie. You see me? Yeah, man. I say I have to do a review upon this, my viewers and subscribers.
When hungry and lick you.
Yeah, Trisha Bailey, came from one part of St. Elizabeth. See, at the age of 11, she migrated to the States. In Jamaica, used to go to school with no lunch money, walk barefoot, couldn't afford no slippers, shoes, clothes. I've it rough, even though it's still a go on. See? Yeah, man, so she finally made it to the States at the age of 11, went through the school ranks, went through to college, university, you know what I mean, and experienced worst times over there as well, regarding to racism. So me I say now she close to be billionaire. See? Yeah, she's very close to turn billionaire from millionaire. I'm going to tell you, it's a very inspiring story. You need to go and watch it on Entertainment Report. I'm going to take out two little pieces, I take out and say I go do a vlog on this because I hope I don't get in trouble still. Big up Entertainment Report. Anthony Miller, don't strike me, yeah? But yes, my viewers and subscribers, so this lady, she own her own private jet now, own a lot of businesses, she gone into real estates. And she just sure say, never give up, you know what I mean? Never have doubt because there's a way out. You see me? And no matter who tell you say you're not gonna make it and this and that, just make it your priority to prove them wrong. Zine? Yes. So she was asked a question. She was asked a lot of questions. As I say, when you go over there, go watch it. But two questions we take out, or she answered, you know what I mean? And she said, she was asked a question about the government, what the government can do to fix Jamaica so other people can make it out like she and become business ladies, businessmen, you know what I mean? And this is what her response was.
What's the one thing that the Jamaican government can do that could be transformational in Jamaica?
The one thing, I really believe that in order to transform the country, you have to put money in education. I believe that's how the transformation will happen, is to put money into the bright minds and develop them to become the Trisha Baileys of the world.
Yes, so here what her answer was: education. Put money into the Ministry of Education, fund the education, fund the school them, upgrade the school and the teacher them and everything. Facilities, so the youth them can have a trade, learn a trade or something, business opportunities, so them can have an aim and turn out to something. If there's no education, if the money not pumping in the Ministry of Education, in the Jamaica schooling, the youth them will turn out to scamming, gun thing, robbing, the young ladies them will get bribed by the elder one, the bigger man them, and then they go pregnant out of school and them thing there, sell them body, all of them thing there. It's even viewers and subscribers. So yes, the lady say pump money into education, because if I never education, she wouldn't be what she is today. Pump money into education, so the young school girls and the school boys, even adults too. Women will get pregnant out of school can go back to school and become a Trisha Bailey. You see me I say? That the lady say. And but what them do? Oh, what kind of scandal go on in the Ministry of Education? Them rob up all of the money them. Yeah man, them rob up all of the money out of the Ministry of Education, left the school in some deplorable condition right now. The school in education gone down. Gone down. That's why I see the schoolers them act like that's in the school compound, the classroom, out the road. Because them give up, there's no way out. Them just go to school for the sake of it. You know what I mean? But now I say, you have one and two now where I try them best, and them people can afford it. Mostly, them school people there are the uptown people them. You see me? Yes, my viewers and subscribers. Well, let me know what you think about that. Next, she was asked her next question, and hear the question that was asked and hear how she answered the question.
No need to bring a barrel back home, but family and friends do benefit from Bailey's largesse.
And if they start a business, I'm right there with them, holding their hands, walking them through it. Now I have boundaries. It's not a handout. You have to work for it. I had to work for it. And as long as I see that work is there and that discipline and your morals remain intact. Because what happened with people, when money comes, morals start going out the window. Your morals have to stay intact in order to engage with me, because otherwise I can't be around you.
Yes, I have so much respect for the lady. Zine, I never know her. Yeah man, she was asked if she give back and help people to become entrepreneurs, business person like her, And her answer was yes. She helped people, families, friends, and she surrounded herself with people who are like-minded like her. People who are level-headed, people who are no hype, because enough people start make money, and when them do, lower them standard, lose them morals and them principles, all because of money. Money can make you last away. And she said, people like those, she take away herself from them. You know what I mean? I'm like that. Yeah, you have to be businessman and strong enough principles, Yes, man. And this lady, she also give a lot, in the pandemic. She give a lot, over millions worth of food and everything then. In the pandemic, she help a lot of people. She a millionaire, close to be a billionaire. As I say, you can watch the interview with my viewers and subscribers. I find it interesting and inspiring and motivating. You know what I mean? So I say, bring it forth to you. You see me? Yes, man, I don't know. I saw work over you say, Big up on yourself. Hold up a love. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click the content. Share the content. See? Yeah, man. Click the bell. So, with the door, Mr. Content, when I drop one. See? Big up on yourself once more. Hold up a love, guidance, and protection. Yeah, man. Big up on yourself. I'm out. Not another word out of my mouth. Go over ER Entertainment Report. Go watch the full interview, man. Very inspiring. Big up the ladies, them. Strong black woman and white woman. See me? Yeah.
Hear the man say, don't be ashamed to talk.
Thanks for watching Lionfoot TV.